Hi there, and welcome. What we'll be looking at in this video is the notion of triggers. This is where we want to define events based on time and/or a set of conditions. In the first example, we'll send a document of type doc202 into the workflow, where it will await the intervention of Manager Orange. If after 2 days User Orange does not intervene, an alert icon will be displayed in the view next to the document where the designated delay has been exceeded. At the same time, an email reminder will be sent to that user with a copy to the director. Now, if User Orange has still not intervened come day 5, the document will be routed automatically to the director, the alert icon being erased, as you can see. The historical entries in the document are updated to reflect the rerouting. And finally, an email is sent to the director with User Orange on copy. One thing I'm doing a little differently in this video is showing you the process end-to-end in a Notes client as opposed to a web client. Now, I will, however, do a quick run-through at the end with the web client to show you that as well. Now, a neat trick we have in Workflow Ascendant is the ability to simulate time. I'll advance ahead 3 days. There we can see the result. Now for the email notification. Let's now scoot ahead 2 more days. And there we have the document rerouted to the director with the historical entries updated. And lastly, the email to both parties indicating the change of state. Here are the trigger documents. As you can see, they are organized by version and document type. And there are 2 dedicated to doc202. The first triggers at 3 days and the other at 5. Zooming in on the first, we see that the trigger will fire at day 3 if a document of type doc202 does not advance from State Manager to any other state. Going over to the Notification tab, here is the email to be sent. And here is where the alert icon is displayed in the view. As for the second trigger, here the trigger will fire at day 5 with the same conditions as before. The document will be rerouted to State Director, and the historical description will be updated to indicate the change of state. The notification to be sent, and lastly, the removal of the alert icon in the view. I thought I'd take a quick look here to show you the cohesiveness of Workflow Ascendant by comparing the trigger documents you just saw demonstrated side by side with state documents. The initial structure of each document is different by necessity, as one deals with time-related events while the other user-related events. Beyond that, however, you'll see that both use identical mechanisms. Notifications to be sent, as well as fields to be updated in the workflow document. Just to show you how to make this happen using a web client, I first need to set the test date. Then I'll create and advance the document. Lastly, I'll advance the date 3 days then 2 more. I hope and trust you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.